download and install Likee app. So if you want to download and install the Likee application on your mobile device, then this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video to your ends and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So this application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step, you just have to open up the Google Play Store. And in the search bar, you just have to tap and search for Likee. Once you search for that, you'll be easily able to have this application. Simply tap over the install option and it will take a few times to install, which really depends on your internet connection. And once you install this application, you can either create your account, or if you already have got one, then you can log into your account. And from over there, you will be able to export your various videos from all over the world. And you can have multiple filters and many more options. You can go there and check it out. And few times later, you can see this application has been installed on the device. I just can go for open and go for the further process. This is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.